Why would you buy an AI advertisement?
This is crazy. Looks like a real dog. It moves its head fully.
Well, I guess it doesn't poop and pee.
Sniffs things. It can blink. It's got blinking. This looks like a real dog. I feel like the ad looks like complete AI, but this would be crazy if it's true. Let's see what's in here. What the? This doesn't look like a real dog. This doesn't look anything like the advertisement. Let's turn it on. What the heck?
What is the point of buying this? What is the point of buying this?
It doesn't even sound like a dog. Even the box says that it can run, bark, and sit.
Bro!
Sit. Run. This thing sucks.
Why would you buy that? Why?